Terneo Pro Weekly Underfloor Heating Programmer. Due to programming, the comfortable temperature of the warm floor is maintained only when it is needed, and the rest of the time it works economically. On the outside of the box, in addition to the image of the thermostat, we see a factory sticker with basic technical information. We unpack the box. The device also comes with installation and operation instructions, which contain a warranty card. The set includes a floor temperature sensor 3 meters long. All Terneo thermostats are covered by a 3-year warranty from the date of purchase. Note that Terneo thermostats are compatible with sensors from many brands, so you can easily replace your mechanical thermostat with a Terneo and therefore save electricity. An air temperature sensor is placed inside the thermostat itself. The combination of two, air and floor sensors, allows you to maintain the most comfortable temperature. Also, there is a connection diagram on the back of the device. Setup is easy and quick thanks to the setup wizard. At the first startup, the thermostat will step by step ask for the basic parameters, which will be enough to start its work. In Terneo Pro, 4 languages are available: English, German, Czech, and Ukrainian. There are 3 temperature modes: on the floor, on the air, and the mode of maintaining the temperature on the air with a limitation on the floor. We recommend choosing the latter one. Do not forget to enter the capacity of the underfloor heating. This is important for calculating electricity consumption statistics. Next, the most interesting part is that it is possible to add up to 16 temperature periods per day in order to optimize the week schedule. For example, for the morning and evening hours, when everyone is at home, you can set a comfortable temperature. During working hours, however, when no one is around, the thermostat will maintain the energy-saving mode. In this way, you can save up to 50% on your electricity bill. Consume wisely. Terneo Intelligent Heat Management.